So now let's see how we can work with shapes inside of Canva. In order to work with shapes, I'm going to go on to the Elements section right over here. And here you can see a section called Shapes. So let me just click on See All right over here, and you are able to select different shapes that are provided right here. So I'm going to go around here and start up with a simple shape right over here, like an oval. So let me just click and drag it over here. So as you bring in the shape, you can resize it out over here as per your wish, and you can drag it around wherever you want. And once the shape is here, you can see that there's the color option right over here as well. So you can click over here and then choose the color of your choice from over here and apply it onto the shape. If you want to add in a custom color, you can click on New Color right over here and then choose the color from the slider right over here, or enter the hexadecimal code directly as well, just like that. So there's other shapes over here as well. So let me just delete this out over here. So if I were to bring in this one, as you can see, there's 3 colors for this shape. So you have 3 color options. So you can go over here and choose one color for the border, one color over here, just like this for this one, for the outer rings right over here, as you can see, and one color for the internal area right over here. So depending on the type of shape you bring in, you have color choices accordingly. So you can go around and see other shapes as you wish. So you can bring in a shape of a frame over here as well, something like a decoration, and then you can use multiple shapes over here to create a new design as well. So as you can see, you can just bring in the shape and start working around with it and dragging it around. You can resize it, you can rotate it around to work around with the shapes and design what you want to.